Self-introduction. Sentences and examples.
I'd like to introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. May I introduce myself?
I am Isabella. My name is Isabella. I am 22 years old. I am 22. My mother is a fitness instructor. My father is a merchant. I have 2 brothers and a sister. I have no siblings.
I have a younger brother and he is a cook. My elder sister is a pediatrician.
I have a twin sister. My brothers are high school students. My eldest sister is a university student. My son is 13 years old, and he goes to middle school. I study medicine. I'm a law student.
I graduated 3 years ago. I will graduate this year. It's almost time for me to graduate.
I study English language and literature in Oxford. I'm a high school student. I study at Manchester University for my master's degree. I'm a 10th grade student.
I graduated from high school. I'm a high school graduate.
I am tall and well-built. I am short. I have dark brown hair and blue eyes. I have short red hair. I have freckles on my face. I have a dimple on my cheek. I have acne on my face. I prefer to wear heels because I'm short. I prefer to wear contact lenses, but I sometimes wear glasses.
Since I'm tall, I usually wear shoes without heels. I prefer to wear comfortable clothes in my daily life.
I have long blonde hair and brown eyes. I like to wear formal clothes at work. I work as an accountant at a hotel. I'm a nurse.
I'm a babysitter. My job is to take care of children when their families are away. I own a restaurant.
I'm a blogger. I write about places I visit. I run a charity. My hobbies are playing tennis and hiking. I also like spending time with my cats. I am interested in opera, so I watch operas, and I sometimes try to sing opera arias.
I like ice skating and dancing. I draw pictures in my spare time.
I enjoy cooking in my spare time. I am fond of writing poems. I live in Antalya. I live in a big city. I live in a small town. I live in a house by the sea. I live in the farmhouse.
I live with my sister. I live with my family.
I live on my own. I live in the city centre.
Don't forget to like, Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications for more of my videos. Thanks.